The CFPB. Its director, our witness, is neither elected nor accountable to the American people. Yet, when it comes to consumer financial products, he is vested with the awesome power of the entire United States Congress. This is amazing, this is frightening, and this is tragic.
We followed
You're
up
your
on,
own
let
man,
us know,
you
and
run
then
an
we'll come back.
agency, essentially, what, $600 million a year or more, accountable basically to nobody.
We have been working to comply all along. We will continue to
Working to comply, Director Cordray, is what we call ducking and dodging.
Mr. Cordray, in that light, you've also admitted that you and 12 of your directors have used private emails for official business. Is that not correct?
I think that's been a very limited practice.
No, sir. Have you used them or not?
A very limited
No,
practice.
sir, then you have used them.
His agency reels from countless accusations of actual discrimination.
There are Democrats on this side of the aisle that have serious concerns and issues about how you're dealing and going forward with this racial situation at the CFPB.
I find it interesting when the chairman brought up when they did their own statistical analysis on the CFPB, and that would show, based on that analysis, that you pay African Americans $16,000 less.
When you discriminate, that is discrimination against African Americans when your rule and your action denies them access to that car. How are they going to get to a job? These are the unintended consequences.
These are difficult hours, I know, for you. You don't enjoy them because you're having to be accountable.
That the Bureau has been able to move forward with a $215 million luxury renovations to its headquarters, spent $60 million on management consulting services, and pays the average Bureau employee more than members of Congress.
Director Cordray, last year I asked a question about who gave the authorization to renovate the leased headquarters of your agency. And I haven't forgotten the response you gave to me, which was, and I quote, "And why does it matter to you?"
The CFPB, an agency that has abused its power that it never should have had in the first place. It is time to uphold our oath to the Constitution. It is time to strip the CFPB of its rulemaking authority and return it to the elected representatives of we, the people.